Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm Ella and I'm with my cousin Holly. Hey, I'm actually falling off my chair. I'll be right back when she's alright. So she's alright. Okay, so we're doing most likely to. So the first, and we got both of our names, Ella, Holly and Ella. And we're gonna hold up one of our names who's most likely to do that. Okay. Most likely to abandon their room because of spiders. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Holly. I hate bugs. Except from woodlice. I like them. Because I pick loads of them. And save them. I mean, I like spiders, not all the time though. If they're oh my god, stop. If they're like tarantulas, then I'm out. What? Okay. Most likely to accept a plea bargain for a crime they didn't commit. 3, 2, 1. Holly. I'm falling again! I keep slipping off my chair. And now my thing's on the floor. Great. Okay. Most likely to accidentally kill someone. 3, 2, 1. Holly. Oh, that's the wrong way around. Holly for definite. Most likely to accidentally send a text message to someone that was meant for someone else. Holly. Long story short, I've never done that. I don't like that. It's so humiliating. Most likely to accidentally set the house on fire. 3, 2, 1. Holly. Why are these always in Holly? Because I'm so stupid and I don't understand anything. Most likely to act as a superhero on Marvel movies. Holly. I don't watch Marvel. I do. Okay. I like Spider-Man. Okay. I don't know why, but I do. Most likely to act as a villain in movies. Holly. Ella. What? I don't watch those. Well, I'm not a super villain. Neither am I. Okay, so that was both. But I mean, we both did that. Oh my god. Most likely to act in a drama play. Me? Ella. Oh my god. I've done it loads. Most likely to act in a true blockbuster. What's that? Most likely to act in a true blockbuster. We don't know what that is. Comment down below if you know what that means. Okay, we're just going to skip that part. Most likely to act on a crush. Me? Ella. This is so embarrassing. I mean, last night we pranked my friend. Comment down below if you want me to record a lyric prank on one of my friends. On my phone. My phone. I'm using my phone for yeah. Most likely to adopt a dog. Me. Ella. I'm not a fan of dogs. My dreams always wanted to be adopt a dog. I'm not most likely to adopt a cat. Me. I love animals. I love dogs and cats. I'm not a fan of cats either. Most likely to always be happy. Both of us. It's both of us because I'm laughing right now. Most likely to always carry hand scissors. Hand sanitizer. Oh. Hand scissors. Me. Ella. I always carry it to school and everything. Okay. Most likely to have a smell on his or her face. Me. What? I mean, I'm always walking to school on a smile, but then I get bullied during the day, so it's just... Most likely to annoy someone on purpose. Holly! I do that to everyone. I do that as well. I annoyed your friend last night.
Yeah.
Most likely to appear on reality show.
Allah.
Me.
I'm going to say it because I can't sit down at the moment.
Most likely to ask someone. I always do that at lunch.
What most likely? Where are we? Ask for someone else's food.
I always do it during lunch, during break. We always have lunches and break. Most likely to assist the president.
Me. That's assault.
Assault the president.
Okay, can I read them now? Where are we? Most likely to attend a concert or music festival. Me. I love music.
So do I.
Most likely to avoid. I don't know what that means. Most likely to avoid using computers.
No. Most likely to avoid confrontations.
What's that?
Like conversations that are bad.
I don't. I just go straight into them. I just put my paper on the floor. Oh, I got it.
Most likely to avoid using computers. I will never leave mine.
I don't even have a computer, so.
Most likely to backstab a friend. None of us. We never do that.
No. All my friends backstab me, but not me. Oh, I haven't done that to them. This is so weird. Okay, so none of us.
Okay. Most likely to be most likely to bake a cake for a school trip. I've done that twice. Most likely to bark in public.
What does that even mean? Like, we're not dogs.
Woof, woof, woof in public.
Not me. Me? I would not do that.
Most likely to be a bad actor.
Hello.
No.
I want to be an actor when I'm older. So what are you all about?
I'm already a good actor. Thank you. Most likely to be a bad cop. Holly. Because she's not that type of girl, are you? Bad
I'd rather
taxi.
be the robber.
Most likely to be a bad taxi driver.
Me.
Most likely to be a bike racer.
Hello. I don't even know how to ride a bike, so.
Most likely to be a bully. What? Not me.
Not me.
Okay, none of us. Most likely to be a con artist.
What are you doing?
I don't know, moving on. Most likely to be a cool dad / mum.
Me.
I'm always excited and savage. Most likely to be a crappy boyfriend / girlfriend. I've always been a good girlfriend. I've got them chocolates and everything.
Excuse me? Fine. You then?
Do you buy them chocolates and flowers?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so none of us. Most likely to be a crappy DJ. Okay, I agree with you. I'm not a good DJ. Most likely to be a crappy parent. Because you. Well, I'm only going for you because you chose yourself.
Yeah, I know.
Most likely to be a daydreamer. I always daydream. I'm literally daydreaming right now to get to 1 million subscribers.
Wait, I meant to put it over, sorry.
Most likely to be a drama queen.
Hello.
I'm always a drama queen. Most likely to be in a gang member.
Hello.
Oh, I'm already in a massive gang, right?
I'm in a gang. And then we can text on our phones.
Good. Most likely to be a good cop. Me.
Yeah, Ella, because you said that I was going to be a bad cop, so.
You also agree with you. Okay. Most likely to be a good detective.
Me.
Holly.
I love detecting things.
My eyes
I'm
are
a very
red.
good spy.
My eyes are red. Most likely to be a good hunter. Holly.
Me.
Most likely to be a good parent.
Oh,
Most likely to be a good photographer.
oh.
Most likely to be a good president. Holly.
Thank you very much. People.
Most likely to be a good security of defence. Holly. Wait, no, me, because I do kickboxing. So, you're very
Fighting.
most likely to be a good Secretary of State.
Secretary.
Secretary of State. I don't know what that means.
It means like. So you know how you have the president?
Yeah.
State. Like, yeah, state.
Mhm.
Well, you would be the secretary, so you would be taking charge when the president is ill or is in a different country.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I am the president, so we have to you.
Holly. Most likely to be a good barrister.
Ambassador.
No, I'm moving on. Most likely to be a good vice president. Holly.
Me, I'm the president and the vice president.
Most likely to be gossip.
Ella.
I'm all about the gossip. Most likely to be a government spy.
Me.
Holly. This is so easy. Should we go downloads? Yeah. Okay. Most likely to be an alien.
I'm gonna have to say me. I'm already an alien. Like, I think I actually have problems.
Most likely
I'm so stupid.
Most likely to broke again after winning the lottery.
I would actually win the lottery for me.
No, but like be broke after.
No, Ella.
Holly.
Oh my god. Miss. Oh my god. Most likely to be an escaped prisoner. Me.
No, me.
No, me.
Me because I've got good skills. So.
Same. I could be a survivor.
Most likely to be an F1 driver.
You said I'm going to be a bad taxi driver, so hello.
Me. Let's just go down. Most likely to be convinced of puberty.
Perjury. Perjury. What's perjury? Comment down and yeah, I don't know.
Most likely to be convinced of murder. Everyone thinks I'm a murderer. Okay, moving on. One more question. No, two more questions. Most likely to be convinced of
invasion.
oh,
Me.
Holly. Most likely to be convinced of possession with an intention to serve illegal drugs.
Possession.
Me.
Okay.
Last question.
Most likely to be
No, two more questions, one each. Most likely to be embarrassed at the airport.
Me.
Me.
My God.
Oh, most likely to be involved in a road rage.
Most likely to be on X Factor. Me. Most likely to be pregnant after one night stand.
Noah.
Okay, I think that's all we're going to do.
Okay, so this is going to wrap up the video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment down below what other videos you would like me to do. With either Samantha, Phoebe, Holly, anyone. Even my mom, Leo. Yeah, anyone. That's bye guys. Say bye.